Thank you for joining us today. My name is Keith Werner. I'm the president of Cognitive Learning Systems, the creators of the LabLearner Hands-on Science program. In this brief overview of the LabLearner Science program, we're going to go into the key components of the program and explore a little bit of the research behind this hands-on system. As we get started with this overview, I think it'll help to talk a little bit about where we're coming from, a bit of the why, sort of the mission behind what we're trying to accomplish here. And really that's this concept of shaping that brain so that they're prepared for whatever the future holds. And so it's less about teaching them specific things that are perhaps trendy right now and more about molding those synapses and the way that that child thinks and give them this toolbox of problem solving abilities so that they can address those challenges no matter what they are in the future. Now, in the design of a program, if you do it without bias and you do it from a research perspective, which is really our core strength, is really leveraging the latest in neurocognitive research and applying that to learning solutions at work, you come up with essentially the three sections that comprise the LabLearner program. And that is that it needs to be hands-on, so you have this physical laboratory that's installed into an existing classroom in your school. You have curriculum that is designed from the hands-on perspective first, with the cognitive research interlaid within the curriculum. And then finally, because a system like this tends to be an approach that perhaps educators aren't as used to doing, when you design curriculum with hands-on leading first, it tends to be laid out differently. So the training element becomes very important, both in how the curriculum is laid out and structured, so there's familiarity there and comfort, but also if you're doing hands-on, there will be a certain amount of tools associated with that that perhaps as educators we haven't been exposed to, or maybe we haven't been exposed to for quite a while, perhaps going back to our education school days. So let's dive into these a little bit deeper.